Hey guys, do you want to learn how to make this creamy, delicious pasta with broccoli and tomatoes? If you do, here we go. Let me let you guys know that this recipe is very easy to make. It's going to take you at least 15 minutes to make, but your family's going to love it. I start up with my broccoli into hot water because I did not want to cook the broccoli and I didn't want the broccoli to be overcooked. So what I did was I added it into some hot water and let it sit in the hot water for a second. I have tomatoes that I'm going to be using. I have my broccoli. I also have some shredded Parmesan cheese. I have this fine herb and butter mix, garlic fine herb and butter mix, which is really good. I have some salt, which I added into the broccoli. And here's my pasta in this Ziploc bag. So as you can see, this is all the ingredients you need for this. You don't even need a lot of things. Add some salt into your broccoli. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I decided to add some salt because I wanted my broccoli to have some taste. If you're doing it, let your water be boiling already for your pasta. So once you got all your ingredients together, your water will be boiling, and then you can go ahead and add your pasta in the water. So I have my tomato that I'm drenching in some oil, and I'm gonna put the tomato into the air fryer. I added black pepper and some salt into it because I wanted it to have a little bit of flavor. So I took that and put it in the air fryer for at least 10 minutes. My pasta water is boiling. I put my pasta in the water. While my pasta water is boiling, I got my pot ready to saute my onion with some garlic. So the oil got hot. I added the garlic. Don't mind my bowl, it's struggling. So I added the onion into the pot. I didn't have a big enough frying pan, so I decided to use my pot. But if you have a big enough frying pan, it will be perfect to use. I added the garlic in there, and I let that all saute together. And then I added my Better Than Bouillon. Better Than Bouillon, please sponsor me. And then I added the fine herb and garlic mix in there. Mix it all together. And you can see the bottom of the pot, everything is turning golden brown. That's how you want your onion and garlic mix to be. So you see all the herb into that little butter thing. Okay, so I added that in it. It's actually not butter, it's like cream cheese texture. Then I added the milk. It was heavy cream. Mix that all together. Make sure everything is mixed together. Let it all be into the heavy cream. I added some Parmesan cheese into it. Guys, don't forget to always season to taste, because I had my Better Than Bouillon into the garlic and onion mix, so I didn't have to season it too much, but taste it as you go. My pasta is done, so I decided to add the pasta into the heavy cream mix and let that cook together. And then I added the broccoli. Make sure you add the broccoli once you have everything mixed together. I added the broccoli. I had some mozzarella cheese. I added some mozzarella cheese. And I'm mixing it all together with some more of the shredded Parmesan cheese. Get your pasta water. Add the pasta water into it. Or you can add some heavy cream if you have more heavy cream. But I prefer the pasta water because it still have the starch in it. So add your pasta water into it, mix all of that together, season to taste. I always say this, make sure you season to taste. So look at that cheese in there. Ooh, I'm salivating now. So I added my tomato into it. I didn't want to add a tomato real quick because I didn't want a tomato to change the color of the pasta, because I want the tomato to still be in it but have its own taste. So I added the tomatoes, and then I mixed it up really nicely. I'm telling you guys, this was so good. I'm literally salivating. And then get you some bread, get you some chicken, warm that all together, and you got your meal. Don't forget to like,